namaste friends. Today we have with us N. Suresh Garu. He has been part of the Corona Warriors Task Force, a brainchild of Captain Manivarnan, IAS. The task force consisted of 27,000 volunteers. It has been a lifeline to the people of Karnataka, and their efforts were widely acclaimed. They have reached every taluka. They have transported food and ration. They have helped the stray animals as well. Medicines were delivered, and fake news and stigma pertaining to corona was busted by this team. They were at it 24 by 7 with zero expectations in return, just service with a smile as the motto. The task force consisted of people of all walks of life. Suresh Garu is an engineer by academic qualification. He is in IT, but he likes IT as an inner transformation. He is a smiling guy. I have never seen him in with a different mindset. I have always seen him smiling. He was in media, education. He was associated with art of living from the past 2 decades. He's a philanthropist, singer, musician, and he's a follower of Dharma. Sir, welcome, sir. Namaste.
Welcome. My pleasure to be here and to be joining you for a small discussion.
Sir, how was this experience, sir? Because all disaster relief operations till now we have seen were flood relief operations or drought protection operations. This is something which is unique for us.
Okay, so let me start with my experiences then.
Sure,
So
sir.
there was a tsunami relief that we were taking care. I was part also of the Uttarakhand flood relief. I also worked with Karnataka flood relief. Kerala flood relief remotely just organizing materials and flood relief material and sending to Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Though I went for a couple of days on site there the last year. So what was significant or what were unique to this kind of flood relief the relief operations in Corona is the limitations
Yes, sir.
in terms of maintaining social distances at all time
Yes, sir.
and far more personal risks for
Yes,
the
sir.
volunteers involved. Every relief operation comes with the small amount of risk,
Yes, sir.
but here the pandemic in any pandemic situation, the risks to volunteers are far higher.
Yes, sir.
So, as a volunteer manager or the person who was coordinating with all the volunteers, one very critical thing that we had to take care was to ensure the morale is high. They
Yes, sir.
don't have a sense of fear or these things. Most importantly, just imagine if someone falls sick or
Yes, sir.
gets infected,
Yes, sir.
then we have a far bigger challenge to handle.
Yes, sir. And the morale
So
of the group also will get affected, sir.
yes, so that was the thing. But however, let me also tell you, currently we have one of our volunteers who is infected. We
Yes,
don't know whether she picked it up from the work site or
okay.
elsewhere. But nevertheless, she was an Ayush doctor who was working in the airport as
Okay, sir.
Corona warrior for screening passengers. So 2 days back, she has tested positive. Everything is fine
Yes, sir.
with all the protections. Volunteers wholeheartedly jumped in to serve the mankind.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that
And
is very unique here.
yes, sir. And I
But
think
everybody
the
knows.
support from the local people also has been great to this initiative, sir.
So as I've been telling on social media, none of these kind of efforts can succeed unless the beneficiaries themselves cooperate with us.
Yes, sir.
See, our target of operations or the service is the general public, and unless they cooperate in terms of following all the norms that government lays out,
Yes, sir.
cooperating by not coming out too often, and using our services to make good.
Correct.
It is not same as what they services they used to get,
Correct, sir.
but nevertheless, we have tried to reduce that inconvenience to a great extent.
Yes. And this type of pandemic situations don't follow a static planning procedure. We require a dynamic planning procedure. So,
Yes.
how was your experience in the planning department, sir?
See, for me, basically planning is because we don't know
Yes, sir.
First of all, there is no plan possible other than having a clear structure on how we are going to manage these 27,000 people across the state.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we were spread out in 195 talukas.
Yes, sir.
The only place that we have not directly, I was not involved, though under another task force, Bangalore BBMP, what is the urban area, was
Okay, sir.
covered totally by a different team,
Okay, sir.
exclusively catering, because Bangalore challenges are very, very different from rest of Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
So that team did a great job too, handling migrants, food,
Yes,
and
sir.
everything. A lot of problem is that there will be a lot of other bosses,
Yes, sir.
government and everybody directly doing a check and quarters,
Yes, sir.
which is lesser for me and the rest of Karnataka, and we were slightly more free to deliver our services.
Yes, sir.
So all the 195 districts, what comes next, we don't know.
Correct,
So
sir.
if I claim that, okay, I did a great planning and then everything was delivered, I'll be lying.
Yes, sir.
Because in Corona, if anybody tells with so much of certainty that, okay, this is how it is, I think that is far from truth.
Yes, sir. Because everything changes on a minute's notice, sir.
Yes. So what we used to do is to ensure that the people are there every time without any what do you call the constraints.
Yes,
All
sir.
the volunteers were ready for not particularly a single kind of task. See, nobody had something called, complex that, okay, I'm going to do something which is not befitting my qualifications.
Yes, sir.
I mean, we used to have PhDs. You name the kind of qualifications we had,
Yes,
from students right up to researchers of 50 years,
yes, sir.
research scholars. So nobody used to suddenly think, how can I go and deliver like what delivery boy does, into the
Yes.
remote village. No, that is not what I got a PhD for. We never had that. There is a lot of respect for the work that they were doing. So every day, the only thing that we ensured was we are ready to do anything.
Yes, sir.
That's the only plan we had. And as and when any call comes, okay, so here it is pertinent to tell how we used to get the requests.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka was one of the first states, much before anything happens, which the leadership decided under this Honorable Chief Minister that information is the most important thing in these kind of pandemic situation.
Yes, sir.
Because a wrong information can play havoc with the system.
Yes, sir.
So what they did is, first thing is to assuage fear. We started a group on Telegram called Sahaya,
Okay, sir.
Corona Sahaya. Sahaya is help in Kannada.
Okay, sir.
As we speak, we have more than 31,000 members in that group.
Great.
They are all general, and it is administered 100% by citizens.
Okay, sir.
So initially, when we used to get a lot of medical queries on that particular, so it started somewhere in the first week of March.
Okay.
Citizens could simply shoot questions asking what is this coronavirus or COVID-19 all about. So if I've got throat pain, people used to think that they've got infected.
Yeah.
So there are so many queries like that,
Yes, sir.
sometimes downright silly, sometimes, but it is worry.
Yes, sir.
So no worries were shot down telling, okay, you cannot ask such questions. So you imagine, 31,000 people in a group, so lots
Correct.
of questions used to come. So half the requests also were made through that group called Sahaya.
Okay.
Somebody somewhere, they just log in and somebody makes a request on behalf of, so they know in their native place,
Yes, sir.
somebody requires this medicine which is very crucial. So we used to bank on people's honesty that they're really genuine requests,
Yes, sir.
and there are no multiple requests.
Yes, sir.
It could be for food, it could be for rations, it could be to help a mother reach the child along with a small infant to
Yes,
the
sir.
hospital and back, because no transport, nothing was there.
Correct, sir.
So Corona Warriors was a program which was designed by only wholehearted members,
Correct.
which is absolutely unplanned for delivery, but ready
Yeah.
for any kind of delivery.
But now it is in a position that it is a self-sustained program, sir.
Yeah, right now, uh, we have wound up that program.
Okay, sir.
We don't have the program anymore because lockdown is no longer there.
Correct, sir.
Okay, so this group, I mean, at this point of time, I cannot reveal it publicly.
Yeah.
We'll be regrouping.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe as early as tomorrow
Okay, sir.
for another assignment of government. See,
Okay, sir.
the beauty is that no, though these are all totally managed by volunteers,
Yes, sir.
it's 100% government program.
Correct, sir.
Okay, the Corona Warrior program, I hope it is replicated in every state,
Yes,
not
sir.
necessarily for pandemic, for whole lot of service delivery.
Yes, sir.
See,
So how,
they are,
what advice can you give for local groups, sir, who are trying to initiate such programs? There are many local groups I have seen in Telangana and Andhra as well, but they have faced problem related to this organization or communication. So what are your suggestions for them?
see, first thing is no, when 10 people are there together, there are 10 opinions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we should find something as serious as Corona to make sure people bury the difference. But
Yes, sir.
then, just to sustain an organization, you cannot wish or pray that Corona crisis, flood crisis, all these things happening.
Correct, sir.
So it is, a lot depends on the maturity of the people involved.
Yes, sir.
If the objective is very clear, nobody is trying to seek credit. You just tell the way you introduce Captain Manivandan, it is the initiative.
Yes.
He will be highly displeased.
Yes, sir. I know, sir. I
Because
have been interacting with him as well. He's telling, no, I am not in this group. It is for the people and by the people.
correct. So whenever we tell that we were doing this, we are doing that, no, it's very, very unfair to every individual in the 27,000 whom I used to coordinate.
Yes, sir.
That because it was not that I needed to do anything. It's
Yes, sir.
only roadblock clearances is what I have done totally.
Okay, sir.
And in my own capacity, whatever I was able to help in my place in Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
So some counseling as an art of living teacher, I used to counsel few migrant laborers.
Yes, sir.
So these are the kind of things that I used to do. But otherwise, no, there was no hierarchy telling that he's the boss and then next.
Correct.
Though we used to have at every level, it's only for communication.
Yes.
I mean, we cannot be communicating sitting in one place to all the 27,000 volunteers.
Yes, sir.
So we used to have very neatly drilled down. So at the division level, then we used to have at the Bangalore division, there should be 9 to 10 districts, every district coordinator.
Yes.
And district coordinator will have master volunteers below him for every taluk.
Yes.
And that taluk will cover some more villages.
Okay.
So every nook and corner we reached out, but the credit really goes to the leadership of the state, political leadership, who without any sense of threat or
Yes.
sense of, worried about somebody hijacking the credit, empowered this entire initiative.
Yes, sir.
See, the structure was like this. This Corona Warrior program had 4 arms.
Okay, sir.
One is Corona Sahaya on Telegram.
Okay.
Okay, so that was under Dr. I forget his name. Under him, it is his chairmanship. That particular program, Sahaya, it is still operational.
Okay.
Because requests regarding interstate movements. Today it has become logistical group.
Yes, sir.
Queries more on related to SOPs, very less medical queries, but though we get quite about 10% of the queries we have got throat pain, but no fever, so they get also medical advice.
Okay, sir.
The second group was the service group exclusively catering to Bangalore.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we used to reach out to every migrant camp, all the food distributions. So it is the packed foods in this case in Bangalore, predominantly our group handled. It was not the rations. Ration was handled by the corporation.
Okay, sir.
That is Mahanagarapalika, BBMP.
Yes,
they used to handle the rations and we used to handle the cooked food. So that means that group also had to coordinate with lot of NGOs, like Art of Living, ISKCON.
Yes, sir.
Not ISKCON really, Akshay Patra.
Yes, sir.
And then we used to have Adyama Chetana, Infosys Foundation, Wipro Foundation. So all these people were doing, their kitchens were given to us, or NTTF. So there are so many organizations they used to give cook food and we used to take care and distribute to the labor camps.
Yes, sir.
Wherever migrant laborers were there. And then we used to have the third group, which is the rest of Karnataka,
Okay.
which is what I was vice chairman of.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the group that we used to handle other than Bangalore urban, including Bangalore rural district.
Yes, sir.
We used to take care of 30
Okay,
districts. So for this program, administrative purpose, Karnataka has got 31 districts.
Yes, sir.
Though geographically we are only 30,
Yeah,
Bangalore is divided into Bangalore urban and Bangalore rural.
correct.
So that way, out of 31, 30, including Bangalore rural, our team used to go and serve.
Okay, sir.
And the fourth group is the group which is the command center,
Okay.
where all the ITs were deployed, fake news were watched,
Yeah.
and there all the tele support for food helplines,
Yes, sir.
corona helpline, all that was given from the command center.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was totally IT based. So any call that comes is ticketed.
Yes, sir.
Any request that comes through Telegram is tickets are raised
Yes, sir.
and assigned to, like how a typical IT service delivery happens. We delivered it from March 7th.
Yes,
And
sir.
we did not have the first case also.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka did not have a single case when we have started this operation.
Yes,
So
sir.
it means the leadership here has been very far-sighted.
Yes, sir.
And somebody like Captain Manivannan has to conceptualize the whole thing
Correct, sir.
and get private citizens involved. See, we had 40,000 registrations
Yes, sir.
into this program,
Wow.
of which 27,000 only were active.
Yes, sir.
So remaining were kept as standby because if it is going to extend for a long time,
Yes, sir.
we have something called the fatigue factor setting
Correct,
in.
sir. Correct.
So we wanted to have them as backup.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And
so
I
that is
think
how.
a lot of effort has to be taken on the side of the managers to say, not in a generalized term, but who are organizing the teams to
Yes.
educate the teams as well and to educate the teams about the stigma they might face in the field.
Yes.
So,
Uh,
what
See,
sort of
stigma is
stigma?
also part of communication.
Yes, sir.
Removing stigma. See, today there was a time when quarantine people, were
Correct, sir.
treated like some pariahs.
Yes, sir.
So many apartments refused them want somebody to be quarantined in their own home.
Yes, sir.
Resident Welfare Association coming, no, take them away from here,
Yes,
and it's only quarantine.
Yes, sir.
So these kind of fear. So we went out. We were giving a lot of talks to a lot of RWAs, telling them that it is not something they misdeed that they did that causes. So why are we treating them in a bad way, which is
Yes,
not
sir.
correct, because it is something that can happen to you and me also.
Yes.
And we told them that, okay, come whatever are the consequences, this government has got necessary infrastructure. We started very early. We recognize the threat caused by this. So we have to really thank uh, primarily Honorable Chief Minister Yediyurappa, and
Yes,
then
sir.
all his Deputy Chief Ministers Ashok Narayanji, Karjalji, and everybody. And then Sri Ramuluji was the Health Minister.
Yes, sir.
We had MLA Sudhakar, who himself is a doctor.
Okay.
He is a revelation actually for me.
Yes.
See, the biggest thing when you work as a group is to subordinate our individual interests to the group interests.
Correct, sir.
And the group interest also will be subordinated to the larger public interest.
Yes, sir.
See, for the smaller group, I cannot advise because I am not that learned, nor am I qualified, nor I am too old to even dish out advice to people. But what I shared and found out in the success in this Corona program was everybody's individual interest and whatever is the goals were subordinated when it came to the Corona warriors objectives.
Yes, sir.
And the
Sir.
Corona warriors objective itself was subordinated.
Yes, sir.
Because when certain things that we cannot go through, whatever we have laid out norms,
Yes.
we need to just step out because situation is not known, unknown situations come. So we go and discover something. We let the person there decide
Yes,
what
sir.
is to be done. And rather, sometimes it will be very wrong.
Yes, sir.
In the enthusiasm, suddenly one person goes and tries to shift a COVID positive person in his car.
Okay.
It is absolutely not allowed.
Yes, sir.
Because first of all, we don't know how it is to be handled.
Yes.
Secondly, the volunteer himself doesn't have any PPE.
Yes, sir.
And maybe a medical guy knows what is to be done first to the patient whom we are. So immediately we have to stop that person. And though that not again condemning that person for that act because he did with good faith.
Yes, but informing about the protocol and
Yeah.
practice, what has to be taken
Yes, sir.
place.
So we need to also make sure that our volunteers also taken care,
Yes,
are
sir.
totally protected. Okay, so when you're working as a group, if you want this to be in a sustained and lot of enthusiasm, see, this is 3 months today. If
Correct,
I'm
sir.
talking so passionately, it's the volunteers' passion that is rubbing off me.
At a point of time, the requirement of the public has become our own personal interest, sir,
Yes.
when we are working in a group.
Yes. So if that is the goal, no, there is no need for anybody outside to come and tell anything.
Yes, sir.
Because people will start doing. I told the girl Nivedita from Mysore
Yes, sir.
who fed pups.
Yes, sir.
Because everybody thinks totally different. At pandemic situation, it's only humans who suffer.
Yes,
There are a
yes,
lot of stray animals, cows not getting fodder in Goshala.
correct, sir.
Okay, and lot of dairy animals not getting their feed. We used to get all kind of requests.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so suddenly one person want earphone.
Correct, sir.
Because they don't know to tell earphone. Actually, it was hearing aid.
Yes,
So
sir.
if the request thinking that it is earphone and he had ignored,
The
that
requirement
person
might have not been met.
not been met. So that is why we told that no request was considered silly.
Yes, sir. And as you have said that Mysore goal, couple of my students also have done the same thing. They have been feeding stray animals during this lockdown period, who in their nearby vicinity, the dogs and cats, whatever stray animals are there, they used to leave small bowls outside with water and food.
Correct. Yeah, it is very important, to take care. See, the nature is giving us lessons.
Yes, sir.
Pandemic, if you look at it, is an opportunity, as per Honorable Prime Minister has been telling.
Yes.
But it is not business opportunity.
Yes, sir.
It's an opportunity for us to relook, reassess on how to talk a bit philosophically.
Correct, sir.
What Corona Warrior program taught me is many things that we used to hate
Correct.
doing during the normal days, pre-pandemic days,
Correct, sir.
is something we are looking forward to do today.
Yes.
How
Some
many
things
of
which
us?
we might have slipped out of our
Yes,
regular
correct.
work.
See,
Sometimes we might
imagine.
have forgotten to wash our hands once we enter our house. For our elders remind us, చేతులు కడుక్కున్నావా కాళ్ళు కడుక్కున్నావా we might
Correct.
have thought లేదు మర్చిపోయాను
Part
but now
big
it has
deal.
become a part of our life.
Correct. See, this is not only that. In another manner, I told no. How many of us really go to the office happily pre-pandemic days? अरे यार थोड़ा दिन अगर छुट्टी हो जाता.
Correct.
If only 1 month నాకు లీవ్ దొరికితే మంచిది. We used to think all this, no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And today, when we are in lockdown, when will my office get open? I want meet. I want that gossip in front of the coffee machine.
Yes.
Every school student, you go and ask people who hate to go to school.
Yes, sir.
Today, they are looking at when is my school opening. So,
Yes, sir.
philosophically, what happens is, things that we used to hate also becomes part of our life.
Yes.
And today, without which we are very uncomfortable also.
Correct, sir.
Traffic. I used to go to war room during the pandemic days.
Yes, sir.
And when I used to get out, I used to get spooked.
Yeah.
I used to tell, this is not the Bangalore I know.
Empty roads.
Like, empty roads, and I'm thinking, are all the people dead?
Correct.
Psychologically, it has a lot of impact on each one of us.
Yes, sir.
And imagine people staying locked in. So I'm
Correct.
going out, seeing no traffic, nothing. And then it looks like I'm going in a place which is ravaged by and everybody dead. And then I decided I will never complain about Bangalore traffic again in my life.
Yeah.
So I prayed, let it come to normal, and answers came. The moment
Yes.
unlock came, we are back to full
Yeah.
of traffic jam and everything.